with that St. Mary. St. Mary was there. St. Mary was there.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
Harry, they said I'm on my way at GPS them.
Yeah, them stuff.
I'm not GPS them. They have some contractor work with them. Find out if the road clear there for me, Murph. Look at Janko Springs. I mean, yeah, contractor them, yeah. They are contractor. Yeah.
My boss, you know if Janko Spring clear?
Janko Spring, you not go so far.
You don't go so far? Alright. Yeah.
Alright. So far, we are going to look for show, you know. I show me I go look for, but I don't know how far I can go. Them tell me say I can't come to straight up on my ear, but them lock up in the bush up there, then they never know attack like a strike, so. We are come through, we come flat bridge end this time. Junction, I don't know they so stay. We never come through flat bridge. When we reach our bridge, we see say lock, water heavy, so them not open back the gauge. Because some rain last year Saturday night, some place at Jamaica. Worse than Beryl rain. So look at Uncle Murphy there now. If we reach a St. Mary, we run the intro there, so see it? Yeah, you must watch the road, so. I go now a little clip away I go on the road there right now. Show me I look for, show me I go look for. I couldn't reach no at that time, but no, I just know I have a little clearance. So, I show me I go on the road. I don't know if I can reach him, I don't know. Alright, if everywhere open up. Paris, so them say, we can go straight up, so. To God be the glory, so I see the road is in front of me. I know what go on, and it look like them get. Look like him, Earth. It look like nothing. I look on the tree, them, nothing much.
Not much, yeah.
Nothing much, but you see where little something go on. Yes, look at thing go on. You see like what that tree, them bow?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see that? Yeah. Look at breeze come up here, and nothing much. Beryl, come play up with them up a little, play up, you know? And some of them, yeah, then limbo. At the coconut tree, then can't take the battery, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see them? Get like a shake up, but all them are something, yeah, them still. Road rough in Paris, so. Them rough there, so then get like a something up at the top there. Like a tree tear down all about this one. As expected, or as is expected. You saw me I say Uncle Murph. Yeah. No, nothing. Yeah. Them all live up here, them all live. Along with that tree, the Murphy, you see it? You see it, Barry? Yes. See it, they see it? I want Wango tree that, you know. Yeah. It never so big and young. Yeah. So, a river's there. All my place here, watershed area, them, you know. All when hurricane no come, so rain. It do one, yeah, nothing much, eh, Murph? Nothing much, Barry, nothing much. We are go through the watershed there, river's there, them place here, watershed here, right now. Yes, so look at something going right there, so. I can see, so then chop them clear. Yeah, look at bamboo. And all them sitting there. I keep the pan tree there, but I don't want them there to feet. Because them they well butter up, you know. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Yes, so. Them bamboo they get shake up, yeah. See one little landslide there outside. Around here, so a little thing go on. Right, Murphy, you see it?
Yes.
And clear the road. Rivers deal with the parry, and sorry for the camera. Right now, the road is rough. Them just rough. And by, there's no light. From Bagwalk, that's Uncle Murphy?
From Bagwalk. From
before Bagwalk, from out of Angels, there's no light. No light, see there? I light where them have. No man, them look at things go on here somewhere.
Yes.
Look at something going over the safari, yeah. See him there, we hard over gully them Mervs. Yeah. Over gully they stay a bad man. Keep them sit the parry, them here down in the road. Then they couldn't just cut off them there too. All them now get back the light when them are placing down, you know.
You know.
A pure damage sitting them, you know. Watch out, see all of them are lick up. Put it. Watch out, Murph. Hold on there. Box cover, that one here, Paris, see it there? Yeah, man, that one there. Wow. Yeah, man, then get like something here, so see, you see it?
Yeah.
Big time, Murphy, see, that's so flat.
Flat down there, sir.
Yeah, man, that's so flat. Hey, Murphy, take time, Murphy, take time. Hey, Murphy, the banana, you see over there, so you see the bamboo root there over there, so
Yeah.
I hit me did that Fred Pie, you know. You see it, see there? You see any day that come down a judgment.
Okay, what
Yeah, man. Let me always a pass here and I look on it. Yeah, man, then can't do nothing to it. Them for this, you know. There's nothing can be done to it. So right there so flat. Yeah. Yeah. The breadfruit them blow off a tree. Hold on there, Murph. It look like it come from back Linstead end.
Yes,
Look for all the tree them.
I say he travel wide, you know. That's all.
Boy, I don't know, it travel. Remember say the eye did something there, you know.
Yeah,
So
and he travel high.
yeah, high, very high, very high. And the wind did kind of the eye through the eye all over the place.
Just what I mean.
Yeah, here, there, and everywhere. Alright.
So I said I did come a little closer to it
Oh God, Jesus.
inland. About 45.
Oh, sir. Run a good bed there. Look like they get to shake up. Run a good bed there. How are we there, Uncle Murphy? Where is your name? Crawl? Crawl?
Williamsfield.
Williamsfield?
Yeah.
How about going right there, sir? I know Williamsfield is.
Yeah, man. Come there.
See it there? See it there? This I light. No, it's a cable. That's some cable wire. Mostly to that side there. Too much family. It's on and off. I don't know. It's funny, the hurricane here. Yeah, man, the prior ton died. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so. Williamsfield, we there?
Yeah, Williamsfield.
St. Catherine, we there in the Paris. St. Catherine. I don't remember. I don't know the place there. So we pass out what a place in here, Riversdale.
Yeah, we pass.
Yeah, man, but the little zinc fence here. No, if you ever like they knock you up recently back. Yes. Shut up. You see where I go. And if my man could plant them all around here, so. Plant them. Yeah, he bush up. If he bush up, then if he go over there, go teefy. Then look like they get like a battering. You know?
Yeah.
So I try to take show no as best as me can parry. After me mountain me I go, you know. You up a Bushmount. Bushmount me I go. I heard at this name Bushmount now. I go carry look of food for sure. Hey Murph, when the hurricane here blow, Murphy blow, you know. Cause this attract this you know, you know. When the hurricane here blow and you up in a Bushmount, they nah no food, you know. A judgment, you know. Call pound of flour, they don't have $2,000, you know. Cause you see, you think a joke, you see how when they go out, they don't lighten up, then they come back.
Yeah, they step up everything.
When then go buy one pound of flour, they poor go show me, all him a go dead for hungry. Me have to come look out for him, brother. No, sir. Oh, Jesus. Hey, over gully they stay bad, yeah? Over this. So if you know, watch your camera, and anywhere near Crawler, where you down Williamsfield, because shaking up one. If I your house that, it good, yeah? If that's your house, it's still alright. Because shake up. Nice close pan hill there and tank. Then look good up a yard. Them stay good up a yard. Right, man? All the road they were going, they still look like they get damaged. I want to carry back any up a Junker Spring to, you know. Yeah, but the road bad. And now get back the light up here so you know, you know. Lord, that God. Well, the little bush them, then could have done better with the clearing of the bush them though. What you say, Mary?
Yeah, but
They're rough, do it? They're rough, eh? That vehicle can pass through.
right.
I'm not tell the lie. And cut that tree there, then get a little shake up. So the light post here, him soon gone. Church alright. Here someone must come at church weekend, yeah? Church still intact. Yeah. Side light post here turn up strong, man. And clear up the road like a party so vehicle can pass through. And then fix that like a piece of road here in Mer.
Yeah, man.
Oh no, I walk on the road without no machete in no hand. Oh no, if you have no machete now.
Can live down certain nigga.
We down in our little spring here, party. You see? Uncle Murphy. No crocodile no over there. No, not yet. Right, you don't see none of our face side.
No.
All of them, the bamboo they over there so tear down. Yeah. Yeah. Bamboo in a road and the road turn track. Look at Brockway there. Look at Brockway. Look at Brockway. Yeah. The correct name is Landside, but we are country people, so we call it Brockway, you see? In case the people who listening and watching are watching, they don't understand when we say Brockway. We are people come from the rural areas. So over there, so look one way. How far house tear down over there?
Well,
Tree, rooftop tree. Yeah man, see there? See then clear. Tractor coming some Murphy. Tractor coming, so you see then clear it.
Yeah,
push you away. But then no. What me I got here, you know? You see when you see them push you away and clear the road, you see the Brockway where they on the bank, them have to lower it little, you know, make it stay there and set. You can't too clear it at the same time, you know. You have to make it and hold the bank. Aye. So then just clear it that little yes,
through.
little vehicle. So no cost. Hey, Mr. D, why you come round so crab it? Yeah, them so you see them make this so stay there for hold the bank, hold it up till such the light. No, we are going to one bamboo villa here. Yeah. The breeze going up here. Yeah.
Like the water did come right in.
Yes, man. The rain fall, you know, Mer.
Yes.
Yeah, my man up at top, him also up at top. They stay good up there, you know. Yeah. So our part with the now, Uncle Murph? With the near Troja now, but old Troja. Yes, with that old Troja now. But me come from up here, me ask you where we don't know. What a disgrace. Me come from up here, me don't know for my place. Yeah, look at Brockway, but them they then kind of clear up the road. We give God the glory, say we can go through, right, Uncle Murph?
Yeah.
We are give thanks to every little thing. We not make a big complaint. Yes, I may say.
True.
You know, we are being humbled and thanking the Lord that them still stand. I want some of them stand here for go up a yard. Go over this. Are we going over this, Murphy? Lord, as far up you see. They up sand then they go out for sell, you know.
Yes.
Up the river there. Business, you know.
Yeah.
The man them down here, you know, work and take out sand, you know. So if you're in a building, you know, sand and stone, all like I mean, I want somebody stone them. River come down, you can go pick up stone. Alright? Yeah. Mr. Murphy, I see some sand heap up the track there.
Yeah.
See all one here. Business. Yeah. We are approach at the Mount Aguan, so. Yeah, Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy engine mount Aguan with little things there. Yeah, so we are take time. Oh, we are 8 for Murphy. Pulley car. Yeah, a pulley car. We are trying to negotiate. Yeah. One little double corner here, Paris. So what? Bear with we as we grow on the double corner here. Uncle Murphy can manage. Yeah. All of them, they see them over there, so see them there. Yeah. Yeah. Right around the double corner here. Watch this now. Pulley curb with there. Old Georgia. You see the car? You see it on the ear? You see it? Yeah. If you're a driver, you understand. But if you're not a driver, you know watch out. That piece of them should have cut off that door, Murph. Light wire to the people them out, dislocated. You don't know get back no light right here now. Yeah. Alright. Look how things go on, man. What you talk about? You can't see the road it black left, right and center in a boy. Yeah. Road it black left, right and center.
Where them come down.
Yeah, light wire down a ground. Yeah. Yes, man. Old Choja Parry, Old Choja. Old Choja with the inner St. Catherine. Alright. Alright, see church there? Look like a church top sink, but no, nonetheless, you can come at church. Yeah? Yeah, church still up, right, Murph?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. But you can come at church. See, there the wire, the light wire them. I walk on, yes, we don't know how to. Oh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, man. See, the power you can see the road is black, you know. Murphy, you know, see it? Lord God Almighty, well, I light where them blow down over there. So, could they? A Choja, old Choja with there, you know. Old Choja in St. Catherine. Power we come at the right time, see tractor here. Flint River Square with there. I work the reach and just reach here, you know. Flint River Square with there, see tractor there. So we're coming at the right time. Them a move the debris. Hey, master. Man, you got a gully, you know. Jesus mighty God of Daniel. Me don't know. So make we pass now, brother man. Murphy, man, you make him send you a gully, you know. Where we reach up a yard, yeah. Uncle Murphy!
Yes, Parry, big up on yourself. And you know, hurricane pass through and you can look what going up here, so.
Yeah, man.
Little things go on, but you know, nothing to kill me.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah.
Well, me stay one way, you know. My landslide, them wicked, but my all stop on and see, I'll show you, so show. I don't really, but just show a little something, you know, because I don't want nobody come in and a comment section, come tell me about me and look the donation, you know. I'm just, you know, hurricane, some of this I show you. I'm not here before Uno, you know. And you all know yourselves who I'm talking. I'm not talking my real people. And I come in there and come tell me say a donation, because look here. I left it this. I'm not showing you. So, all of you were following me for the longest while. The breadfruit tree was there, so the roots finally come down. And it's the right hand side and should go upstairs. So that's what I want. But, me have to go come back. Big landslide. I tell you them places are mostly landslide, my friends. A landslide, not flooding. So, when I'm back there, come and look back train now. Whoa! Everything flat down a gully, so everything flat. Me not go over bush, you know. Everything flat, Parry. Every banana, everything we down there so flat. See me here now?
Yeah.
See me this time? Whoa! And the place grew up. So, I mean this now in a Parry from up top. It all around a back for me house is so theory. But see me did start that stone wall. Me have a stone wall here so going on, but me kind of ease up because I come deal with other things. But see me stone wall did start. If you need to watch and me say me do something on it, but me never put it on the camera. I never want to put it till me done the wall. But see me have my wall there when me start. Stone wall, so now me I go work around that. But look here. Some of them stone here look like say them a come from up there, so Murphy, you know, see? So we can pick them. Me I go left areas to see if we can pick them out and throw them weed out here so and pick out them stone there. Them can't help one the big stone and little stone. So me have my stone wall and me start down there so but the rain further tear it well. See? And all of them something. Never that look right this look from somewhere, but you know so we are survivor. So the bird see us around my back and my out. Everything is here. So when me have to go do now I left some man up here so we just cut down some banana. Let's start clear up the place. You know, come and see show him sick in a bed, lay down here that acting. So, you know where I go with banana? A mango, this is one of them mango, you know? Want to find mango? Mango, if you not going to eat mango. God. But, well, like banana, them, but look here, we give God the glory because we pray. Oh, stop on. Thank you, Jesus. Show good. So, landslide, we kill up here, so. So, what me I go do? So, I'm breadfruit here in a Murphy. Come look, funny. What me I go do? I'll thank you stand up. So what me I go do in a Parry? Me I go left some man for go and chop up and clean up. Me I go come here maybe by about the next 3 hours Monday. I have to go and clean up. Me have to left somebody to go and clean up. What me I go do? Sit down and ball? Or me find a black mango. See my tree there.
Sweet.
So, the breeze, and the thing there. So, me have to go call the wall man and now. I get some more stone. Me have to go check Tyson. And it earth wet too, you know. You know, Murph?
Yep.
Oh. Sorry. Murphy, what we are going to do for underneath this? So we have to go set a few pieces of bamboo. Look underneath this up this one. What we are going to do?
Yeah, when the wall come up, boy can do anything. When the wall
No,
come up,
just underneath there's some Murphy.
Underneath, right, there's
The
some-
concrete something.
you can't go this. You can't do it.
No, but let's set a few pieces of bamboo. Are you alone now on the hard? When you wake up as a one man up here, so you know. When you wake up as a one man up here, so see they did that damage in a parry. You don't have no energy, you know. So where you say, all the breeze, where you say, where did they when the breeze are blow? You know going on, so me at a window, I mean, I check the place every back up, you know.
No, man, no,
Because me I look on the tree, at the breadfruit tree, eh? So when the breeze start, now I'm up here. But no, man, but when me call Tommy, I never went at 1 o'clock and him said call he said me say be listen to it call late. He said the rain a fall and the breeze a blow by but it's about like 8 o'clock.
No, sir. When? No, sir.
The day when the hurricane?
No. Where's the man got shop? Where's the man? You know, see if I make money, where's the man there?
Alright, come take out your something them out like here. Come take out your something.
After the level, you went to jab.
Supposed to stand up still.
Man, and I think that
But my glad say shoe they get for gone in there.
that's
So.
real hard wood.
Yeah man, a long time them house a build good man.
Them a board there and them wood there.
A good something.
A good solid wood.
But
them.
Barry, I come and I carry some food for shoe and I carry some for Tommy too. You know, but this little part I just want to say, when God at work, God is working. God is good and He's good all the time. Saturday morning, I think it was Saturday morning. Today our Monday, yeah. I did a live on the cooking channel, and after I said, I didn't even realize I said that on the live, that I was coming off the live and I was going out to get a little food for Boshu. Come and no say up here, so if me not come look for him and bring look for food, hungry I go turn him over up here. With the hurricane, no light, no nothing at all, them not have no look nothing for hustler bush and sell because them no work. Somebody reached out to me and sent some money. And said it was via PayPal too. I put it together and help with food, because I definitely said, I never did I realize. I mean, I said, oh, she must have been the personal. But the long and short of it right here, I hope you're watching. I just want to say thank you. No name calling, no showing how I buy for. So I buy a nice amount of groceries because I was going to, and then I go left them with alcohol money in them pocket too. But I have to come back now, for come look both for my business, yeah, so with my all of my tear them now and sitting and start come back up with my wall. So I just pray so the rain will up. Because if the rain continue falling. So I just want to say thank you to that person. Because let me tell you something, when God is in the vessel, the smile can always smile at the storm. The person said to me, take it and help up with food for your St. Mary people. And I just want to say special thank you, and I hope the Lord that will continue to bless you and, you know, keep turning over the store basket of you and your family. It was, I so appreciated it because I could buy enough that I could share, not go on the gift about shoe, but other people. At least me know say if even another 2 weeks worth of food, no meat can buy, no light, no pay, nothing like that. So I just want to say thank you so much. No name calling and no showing for put up on the camera when I buy for them. You understand? But that has never happened for the longest while. Nobody never reach out and say for help with something for sure. But that's okay still. So I just want to thank you, madam. I just want to say thank you. Why parry me back in because I'm not tarry, you know, because I set up something, left some work, yeah, show on next Monday they for do. And me have to come back now, for few days time, because Me have only patting up there for the whole heap of dangerous things that we happen. What things me have to do. So we on the way back and push through. But me just want to come through for me then get them local food, you know, then local way there. Local food is, because I'm tell you something. Out on the main here, it's Sata. Yes, and Uncle Murphy, out on the main here, no light, nothing no way. From Bagwalker come up, there's no light. I don't know how far light is back. More that, I don't know if like that I gate, I don't know, because I never go out that way there. But from where I come this morning, juicy beef and then generator them I use a Bagwalk. No light, no farmer civilization. And up there, so it's still one way already. So as me tell you, so almost a landslide me have, but the trees them all them blow down. Some parts are right, and to, you see the storm, the eye did a spin there and something. I just so it breeze just blow one funny way, but I not tell no lie, I really feel relieved and feel glad. So I come and I push it through and come. I'm ready to come from yesterday, but some rain did fall the night before, and the thing said it up here too, but it never up here. So I give God the glory. So the camera dance. So we are pushing back and I have business to go sort out because I left them for work, so I have to do what I have to do. Come back with the next workman to come do something. So as it is, it really look one way up here, because all up in the district there. You know, you can't see say, me know what going to happen already, so just glad to make sure she have some food especially. And then the other little guy, they don't know Tommy already, who follow the video them, don't know Tommy, so. And him have one little baby, so I have to do what I have to do. And I'm telling you, say, the camera thing, for when I give somebody nothing, I take up every biscuit, every bread, every bag of rice, everything or something. I'm not into that. You know, I'm not into that. So them get with them box them with them forget and get everything with them forget and you know. So I know them have something to serve them for at least another 2 weeks. Maybe Tommy one might run out before because he's my family, but Boshu alone, Boshu have to serve him for more than 2 weeks. So that's the way I cut it back. See? Hey Parry, so I go clean my teeth and so I never moisturize my face yet. So I come back to finish the video with it now. You see me on the phone and the wall man, I try calling but I forgot to the light now up everybody phone out of charge. I never remember it over it. I got too much things. But anywho, yeah, so I try to tell them say me go send me here and as I know say in the clip them before. I never just catch everything. You just couldn't catch everything in them someday. You know, it never makes sense to catch everything and you know and so on. Too much. So basically I like a briefing me give you know and so yeah, me left them. I try call them now, but it look like rain. I come over them say some tropical wave. So the morning I wake up in the morning, leaky bad and I can see which part me there to position or direction when over there. Like I'm not sure if it's falling, but me I call Tommy. Tommy phone me if I use I don't know. Every phone boy should get him say sit and do it. I don't know. So Tommy I help me through the hurricane. So with you know, I make me know I keep me abreast away that go on. So it look like him phone run out of charge. Cause I say how far I forgot go far for people who have battery and look like we are rich man or what him I forgot put him. Forgot get him phone charge up. I'll both show phone all next year not charge it because if light not come back in our district, him not go get it charged and he say battery not good. But me not take on Boshu on him phone. You know? Me can Boshu is a bushman, him is not a phone man. So anywho, me just a try to call the wall man. It just I realize. I was looking for the guy who do this we start the stone wall. Him living at the district where him can drop the stone for me. Stone supposed to enough now because old power river come down and stone there. And me if you know me want to get him. But I was looking for him and I was calling him yesterday, but me never see him. So I don't know if him gone out on him bike. Probably because they have bike everything, you know. So I want to forget for other some stone from him because I would people supposed to up there want stone now. With all the material we have wall figure bills. So I try if I can get him. But I don't know. I'm not going to get the wall man for no kind of light. No, I not evil a member. So what I go do? is if when me get to talk to Tommy, me talk to Shu and things if to know if I find him. If I go tell him say, cause when me did start the wall there in a party, I think I started that wall about. I not quite remember, maybe in April, but oh me have to end up start the wall. One rain fall there. 3 days straight, something some serious rainfall I sent me since the year beginning. Under like undercover, you know. I don't really video it, I don't really, you know what I'm saying. So I go up there, I say, Miss Debbie, best stay about it. I go up there now. Because I knew I had to build a wall there, you know that, but we kind of back it up and it did a hole, but I don't know, some men know what go on and water shift and bow shoe and pay it in mind for kind of shift it back up. Life happens, and then I go up there, I say, I tell you, you see, if me live out, when me go up there, go see, because me have to start the wall quick, I will live out this. I swear, when I see it, I swear, party, me did I go conquer, and me never put it on camera, me know nothing. I mean, that girl, certain things, me just chill, cause, you see, YouTube is a place where, I don't know. Some things are best left alone, so I never put it on. But me say, trust me, if me get over that part of it there, me will get over that. If you take it up, you know, come out. Because you're not seeing most of it now. Let me show you that little clip. Because we went 5 feet down. 5 feet down in the ground. That's how we start the wall. So most of the stone and the material we did buy down in the ground, the foundation, because we have to get the foundation good. Then the gentleman know him the text sick too. So I did just tell him say me did have at the time something else did come up and the rain did roll up on the time they get dry. I tell him say me I cry right there so little. I'm say alright mommy cry cause the bottom the, you know the foundation hold down there so. But the rain come in now and it start broken more. So if me let myself my part then a party one time I go up about you call me telling him man. I told you not even know. You see, when we dig out the foundation, dig it out the 5 feet down, and when the man for come, I get the whole of the man him come and dig out, you know, with bow shoe. How much man? And all the plumber did have to correct something right there. So too. And you see, when we dig out the foundation and I wait to the wall man, my father did take sick and them my tell me say, Mommy, I have to go off a few days. You see, Parry. Well, the day when we go on the wall for start is when we go up there. Jeez, the rain come back again. Trust me. And take down one next part. Everything. And full up the foundation. 5 feet down. You have to pay the man them again. To re-dig out the foundation. I say, I think I did cry. I say, God, I pay the money for the foundation. And look how the rain come. I say, full it up back, you know. I mean, Bojo called me and said, Miss Debbie, every one next part, this will come and get it. And full it up, Miss Debbie, pure water. When I go up there with Uncle Murphy, me I tell you now. So, me a survivor. When you're a survivor, you just, you know, yeah, yesterday when I come back, I did just feel kind of drained and the next, I never sure there was a big landslide on the other side of my house. And then when the rain falls, so you see all the time grow up because, place grow up because when me go up there like, in the first part of this video, I go show me go up there like a week before the storm. Less than a week before because we went this Saturday and the storm come Wednesday again. And the place was so wet. No, we're not tear down this so nothing at all. The hurricane, extra rain or something. And me say, trust me. I never did have that energy yesterday evening to finish the vlog. So I'm coming on and finish it today now. You know. This video is gonna be so hard to edit. So we're gonna take out some of the little clips them because it's gonna be long. So come on girl, I'll try our best with it. But look here. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. Remember to watch the videos. Remember to watch the ads. Watch the ads. If you don't watch them that time, watch when you see ads come this time. Watch it more than ever. Alright. And also before I clock out again, I just want to say thanks to the madam that reached out and sent and said, Me for put that where she sent to me and them to let this, they have food. And I am very thankful because what I had, I put it with it, and then I could have able to buy them a good amount of food, pay Uncle Murphy, and still get them a little money in them pockets. So I decided right now. So thanks for reaching out. Thanks for loving again, madam. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna call nobody name because she just sent me a little message via PayPal with what she sent and told me what to do. And I hope you watches this vlog. I hope you do. I am gonna say thank you once more again. Paris, thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Follow up the video, then check. Watch this video. Oh, we did go up there from, we went up there this Saturday and we had those footage. We never post them. And then now, I'm forced to go back now because of the hurricane. You know, so we put these two clips together. So watch what it look, where you see me get a big all. And then this is what it comes to. In life, you gotta be strong. Pray. Yes, even though you're praying, you're human, you know, some days you drop down, you know, you flap down, you know, like yesterday. I just feel drained. But I know I have to continue, I have to get up and fight. So thanks to love him. I don't want it to get too long. I have to do a good editing that it's not too long. Thanks to love him. We'll continue. You see the progress as I go along. Oh, I get there, you know, I just want to get the wall man and the guy now where I order the stone them from him. I don't know if they can come out now. The earth is saturated. The road barely clear. So I don't know if him truck can go up there now because it's a big truck for carry up them stones. So I know I have to wait a few days to make the earth drop because the place is so soft. Place has sink and them every truck there with stone. It's going to be a lot. But I'll show you as I go along. I'll show you when life gets you down, you have to just get up, take all the negatives, them turn them back around the way you can do, pull off, spear off, do everything. Because as it is now, I have to go up there like really have fun and so on. So I'll catch you again with another video or another live. A long time I'm not going to live on Debbie Debs, you know. But thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. God care me come here, so him not let me go. Love you so much.